What are some common psychological facts about girls' behavior? Girls' behavior is a complex and fascinating topic that has been studied by psychologists for many years. From the way they interact with their peers to the way they respond to different situations. There are many psychological facts about girls' behavior that can be useful in understanding them better. In this video, we will explore some of the most common psychological facts about girls' behavior, including why girls are more likely to show empathy than boys, why girls tend to be more sensitive than boys, and why girls tend to seek out social approval from their peers. By understanding these psychological facts, we can gain a better understanding of how best to interact with and understand young women. Why do women often react differently than men in certain situations? Women and men often react differently to the same situations due to the different ways in which they perceive the world. This can be attributed to a variety of factors such as biology, culture, and upbringing. Women may be more likely to express their feelings openly or take action when faced with a difficult situation, while men may be more likely to remain stoic and avoid confrontation. Understanding why women and men react differently in certain situations can help us better understand each other and create more harmonious relationships. Exploring psychological techniques to help you understand girls' behaviors better. Understanding girls' behaviors can be a daunting task for many people. But with the right psychological techniques, it can be made easier. In this video, we will explore the various psychological techniques that can help you better understand girls' behaviors. We will look at how understanding their motivations and emotions can help you better understand why they act in certain ways. We will also discuss how to use positive reinforcement to encourage positive behavior, and how to identify patterns in their behavior so that you can better anticipate their reactions. With these psychological techniques, you will be able to gain a greater understanding of girls' behaviors and make more informed decisions when interacting with them.